Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to go beyond my limits. Today, I am thinking of creating a very glam fall look. So if you're curious to find out how I'm gonna create this fall glam look, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I went ahead and already did my eyebrows and applied concealer on my lid. And I also apply it underneath my eyes, so that way I do my under eyes as well. So now we're gonna go ahead and go right into the eyeshadows. Today I will be using this palette right here. This is from the Huda Beauty palette. So with my e.l.f. blending brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this baby right here. This is the shade Saffron, and I'm just gonna dip into Saffron. I'm gonna start applying it right here on my outer corner. And now with a new fluffy brush, I'm gonna go ahead and grab the shade Blazing, and I'm going to basically apply it right here and start diffusing the color. And then grabbing the shade Amber, I'm gonna start diffusing more. I'm gonna apply it right here. Now I'm gonna go ahead with Saffron again, and basically I'm going to bring that color again and put it right here. And now grabbing a clean brush, I'm just gonna start diffusing the edges. And now grabbing the shade Retrograde, I'm just going to apply it with my finger, and I'm going to apply that here on the center of my lid. Okay guys, whew. Okay, so you guys witnessed that on camera. I think you guys know what happened. Look, I tried, okay? So I tried applying this shade and it was going good, but then while I started blending in the shimmer color, it was fading away. So I was like, okay, let me mix it with this one and this one. So I was there mixing in whatever, but it was just not working. So I was like, okay, let me go to this baby right here, and hopefully he makes my dreams come true, or else I'll be super sad. And so I went ahead and applied this baby right here, which is called Custom Rinse. And then once I apply it, you guys already know, this is what happened. Do you see how shimmered that eyeshadow looks? Oh my god. So thanks to that shimmer shade, because I'll be sad. I'll be really sad. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go off camera and basically repeat the same exact step on this part of the eye, except I'm not gonna be using the shimmer color on this palette. I'm gonna be using it on this palette instead. So I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I didn't complete my eyes because I also want to do my under eye since I already applied concealer. So I will just do my under eye, and then I'm gonna apply my lashes and all of that good stuff. So grabbing Saffron, I'm just going to apply it right here. Then I'm going to grab Blazing and basically diffuse it And I'm gonna grab saffron one more time just to bring the color back. As you guys notice, I didn't go all the way in, and I did that on purpose because I don't know, I just feel like doing it halfway. So I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna do it on this side of the eye. So I figured that I should show you how I do my lipstick. So I'm gonna show you that right now. If you guys are noticing, I am not wearing my falsy lashes this time because I personally think that I don't need my falsies today. But now we're gonna go ahead and apply our lipstick. So today I'm using this lip liner from Milani. This is the shade 03 Nude. And I really love this lip liner because it is very natural. So I like to start down here under my lips. And then I'm gonna go ahead and basically do it like this. And now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lipstick. Today I will be using the Morphe lipstick, which is the shade Bare All. And this is how it looks like. So now my lipstick is basically done. And this is how I do my lipstick every time. And now I'm just going to go ahead and basically remove my setting powder. Okay guys, so this is the finished look, and now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with this setting powder. No, not setting powder, setting spray. Sorry about that. Guys, I forgot my highlighter. So I'm just gonna add my highlighter very fast. Okay guys, now we are done. So I'm gonna go off camera and basically remove my clips, and I'll be right back with you guys in a second. Okay guys, so this is how I created this glam look, and I think that if you add your false lashes, it's going to be so pretty. And this is definitely more glam than the other fall looks that I have done, and it is so beautiful. The shimmer color on my lid, it's so stunning. I had trouble applying the shimmer color using this palette. Maybe I was using it wrong or something, I'm not sure. But once I used this palette and used this shimmer shade right here, it was a life-changing. It definitely saved my life, because if I didn't have this palette, I wouldn't have this look right now. For this palette, I don't really use the shimmer colors that it has. I mostly use the matte colors, which I really love because they're super pigmented, and I really love that. But today I wanted to try out the shimmer colors, but it's not the shimmer color that I love, like this one. But anyways guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you could recreate this look as well. So if you guys enjoyed watching my video and how I do this look, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel down here, so that way you guys get notified whenever I post a video. So without any further ado guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.